At the end of the day, we're all gonna die. Like, you're not gonna know people in the next 4th generation, you know? Horton Hears a Who is a very good example of this one. And it's a very good movie. I promise you, like, literally swear on Zeke's freaking life, you will be more confident, you will love yourself more, and you will be more of a bad bitch, okay? And that's the goal we're trying to embody in 2021. Hi guys, welcome back. First of all, I have nails, so prepare for me to do that a lot because that's what I do with nails. Also, this video is gonna switch up a little bit, okay? Because I'm bored of doing the most random things. Today I'm going to be showing you all of my tips and tricks to be a bad bitch. Now don't get me wrong, I cry a lot. 2020 has finally come to an end, thank God. It literally took about 24 million years. Why has this year been so long? We need to change the energy, please, because I cannot deal with this 2020 anymore. For 2021, I'm going to be teaching you all how to be the most confident, bad bitch, fucking 10 out of 10, fucking Pinterest ideal version of yourself. Okay? Also, if you're watching this and you know me, I'm really sorry because I'm really going to be in your face in this video. I don't know if I'm like that in real life. I feel like I am. These are kind of tips as well to make you more attractive, more confident, more popular, I guess. I don't freaking know. Like, anything you desire, use these tips. And you're done. Basically, I'm gonna change your life. Call me the genie from Aladdin because I'm gonna grant all your wishes. I mean, maybe not all of them, but like, give me a break. Before we start, let me give you a quick little backstory. I used to look like this. Now I look like this. This used to be my Instagram. Now this is my Instagram. And to get that was a process of confidence, a process of self-worth. But now we finally made it, and I will look back and cringe at this video, but it's fine. It's fine. And to get from this to this, I use these steps and they were the most helpful things ever, so let's get started. Tip number 1 is to read affirmations, listen to subliminals, stuff like that to change your mindset, because the only reason you feel insecure, the only reason you're shy or quiet in a big group is because of your mindset. Okay, hear me out. If you don't know what an affirmation is, it's basically positive self-talk. Basically, an affirmation is like looking in the mirror and being like, damn, I'm fucking hot. Damn, I'm pretty. Damn, I'm confident. Wow, look at her clear skin. Stuff that might not necessarily be true, but if you say it to yourself on a day-to-day basis repeatedly, your subconscious mind is going to start to believe that it is true. And therefore, you're going to start to believe it's true, and you're going to start to embody that. Let me give you an example. I, for example, don't have the clearest skin. As you can see under this makeup, it's also really dry right now, so if it is a bit crusty, let's just ignore that, okay? I can't face tune videos. But every single morning when I wash my face and I look in the mirror, I will look myself in the eyes while I've got my freaking CeraVe face cleanser on, and I'll be like, damn, I have clear ass skin. I have smooth freaking tight pores. I have the best skin. I love my skin. I have the best skin in my household, and recently it's been clearing up. So affirmations as well is something you have to work with. You can't just look at yourself every day and be like, damn, I have clear skin, and then continue to not wash your face or eat a bunch of junk food and not drink water. You know, you have to like work along with it. It's like if you were going to look in the mirror and be like, damn, I have abs every single day. You also have to try and work out to get those abs. You have to put in some work to work with the universe, okay? Another way to do this is by listening to subliminals. I listen to subliminals pretty much every single night. Make sure they're safe though. That is one thing I will say. But subliminals are just affirmations repeatedly played and layered under music or under different sounds. And what these will do is go straight into your subconscious mind, and your brain will start to like pick up these affirmations and once again embody them, start believing they're true and whatever. I'll link down below a few of my favorite subliminal channel, and they have billions. Like, they literally have subliminals for everything. Like, I can't even explain. So listen to subliminals, because you can listen to them while you sleep, and then that's really going into your subconscious mind. Affirmations: talk positively and positive things will come to you. Like attracts like, okay? So if you think positive things about yourself, positivity will come to you. You know what I'm saying? Law of attraction. Anyway, tip number 2 is to just listen to good ass music. Like, have a bad bitch playlist. That's what I have, and oh my god, does it change my day. Music literally controls your mood. Like, whether you realize it or not, music is controlling your mood.
Okay, this song is obviously copyrighted, but it's DNA by Kendrick Lamar, and honestly, it is a tune. Oh my god.
For example, if I'm gonna listen to some freaking Good Night and Go by Ariana Grande, some Tattooed Heart, I'm gonna start sobbing because it's low-key sad and it's just But if I listen to freaking Travis Scott, Drake, 21 Savage, Megan Thee Stallion, Kalani, Janae Aiko. Hang on, I lost my ring, I got too excited. Found it. Listen to music you like. Don't listen to music that everyone else is like telling you to listen to or that everyone listens to, because if I did that, I would have grime on repeat. And although I do love a good bit of British rap, it's not for me 24/7. If you're like me, if you're a similar age to me or older, oh my god, listen to Kalani, listen to Janae Aiko.
Aiko, I don't freaking know.
Listen to freaking Queen Naija, listen to Summer Walker. Oh my god, the energy you will feel, the empowerment. Also, I'm wearing sports leggings, I'm trying to force myself to work out. When you listen to music, you're putting yourself in a certain mood. So if you're listening to music that you thoroughly enjoy and thoroughly like hypes you up, then you're gonna feel like the most elevated, high energy, freaking bad bitch version of yourself. So if you're going to school and it's early in the morning and you're tired and you want to be there, play music that is gonna hype you up, because then all day at school you're gonna be radiating that freaking positive energy and everyone's gonna want to be around you. It's literally easy as well. Like, why would you want to listen to sad music? I mean, I want to listen to sad music, but listen to like freaking hype music, okay? Also, I'm gonna throw this in here. There are obvious things to raise your vibrational frequency by like working out, doing things you enjoy, hanging out with friends, but they're freaking obvious. Drinking water, eating healthy, that stuff people tell you on a day-to-day basis. So I'm not coming in to be that same bitch. So moving on to step number 3. This one is much easier said than done. Like, I swear to god, it takes a lot of practice. But you know when you're out in public and there's a group of people staring at you, or there's a bunch of people bitching about you, or some random person is just looking at you and you have no fucking idea why, instead of just looking at them and being shy and like looking away and be like, oh my god, why is that person looking at me? Look them dead in the eye and fucking stare back, because swear to god, that is so empowering. I have done this for over a year now. And I didn't even mean to. Like, I don't know, it just became a thing. And I didn't mean to make it a thing, but it became a thing. If someone's just catcalled you and they're walking, because normally they're in cars, if they're walking and they're looking at you, turn around and stare them dead in the fucking eye. If someone's bitching about you, like a group of people, just turn around and look at them. Don't say anything, don't do anything, just look. Because I swear to god, you will throw them off so hard. I sound like a psycho. It is so nice to just feel them become more shy. Do you know what I mean? Like, you're taking their cockiness. Don't be cocky, be confident. But like, in a situation like this, you're allowed to be cocky, okay? I'm also talking so fast, I'm literally out of breath. Ah! Also, do we like the setup? I'm trying to find every freaking angle in my room. Another example of this one though is when you're walking down the street and you're in like a different outfit, or like I said, there's a bunch of girls who don't particularly like you, or there's a bunch of boys, and if everyone starts to stare at you, instead of walking along and being like, oh my god, like they're looking at me, I probably look really ugly, is there something on my face, like oh my god, what have I done to my hair, like what outfit am I wearing, why did I wear this? No, change your mindset. Like I said, this takes practice, but change your freaking mindset. Posture, put your shoulders back, lift your head up, walk. People are staring at you, yeah, they're looking at you because you're fucking hot, like they want to be you, okay? I get like this sometimes, it's fine. Instead of shying away from it, literally empower it. Think that they want to be you, know that they want to be you, know that you are the one holding the power in this situation. Walk with your head high, your shoulders back, and then they'll be like, damn, she's confident. Even if you don't feel it at first, even if they are laughing at you because of what you're wearing or because of who you are, whatever, if you walk with your head high and your shoulders back and have that mental attitude, they're gonna change their opinion on you just based off of that energy that you are creating. It is literally insane, but it is true. This one kind of links on from the last one, and that is appreciate when people talk shit about you. Now hear me out. That sounds so bad. Like, that sounds so bad and that sounds bad. But also, if they're the ones talking shit about you, they're giving you more energy. They can't get your name out of their mouth, okay? They are making you famous. They are literally spreading the word that you exist. So instead of being like, fuck you, you're a bitch, you're a whore, why are you chatting shit? Thank you for making people aware that I exist. Thank you for showing me that you are lower than me. Thank you. How does my name taste in your fucking mouth, basically? Because if they're talking shit about you and you don't give it any attention, you focus on yourself, then that's them. Like, that's their issue, because it isn't a two-way thing. It's literally just them, and that looks needy. So once again, puts all the good energy in you and takes that away from them. Okay, and it may hurt, like, the shit they're saying, but once again, practice. Hang on, I need to stop and breathe. But once again, if this is something you can practice, or something you can like visualize and embody, or imagine, you know when you have those scenarios, okay? Before you go to sleep at night, don't say you don't, because I know you have them. Everyone has them. Imagine you're in an argument. Imagine you're in beef with this girl, okay? And she is going around and she is slagging off you to everyone, basically. In your mind, in this visualization, instead of giving her that energy, focus on yourself, bring the attention back to you, and be like, damn, thank you, thank you. And imagine the worst things she could say about you, that person could say about you. Genuinely imagine someone you don't like, and think of all the bad things she could say to you, and switch it up. Like, if she's saying you dress badly, or if she's saying you look ugly, be like, okay, well, that's on you. Because first of all, I like the way I look, so therefore your opinion doesn't matter to me. Second of all, I dress how I want to dress. I don't dress to impress you. You see what I'm saying? Switch it up. And it works. Tip number 4 is something that once you get into, you will never stop doing, and that is going out either with somebody or on your own and taking photos. I don't know if this sounds bad or not, but when I'm sad, I will genuinely go back and look at photos of me and be like, stop being sad, Izzy, like, that is you. And I'll like look at my Instagram and be like, Izzy, that is you, like, stop crying, like, what are you crying for? Like, you're not ugly, look at, like, that is you. If you go out and you take photos, first of all, you get more comfortable in uncomfortable situations. For example, if you're taking photos in a public place and there's people around, or if you're by yourself with a tripod and a camera or a phone, you're just out in the open, that can be quite uncomfortable. So when you get used to that, you're becoming more confident and more aware of your surroundings in a way. But when you take these photos, you will probably end up taking 300, 400, 500 and pick out 3 or 4 of them that you actually genuinely like. Don't pay attention to the bad ones. Don't pay attention to the ones where you're half talking, or where your eyes are like, or when your hand looks funny, or when you're like slouched or something. Pay attention to those 4 or 5 that you end up keeping. Look at them, post them. Something about taking photos just makes you feel so much more confident and so much more of a freaking bad bitch. Like, you're just modeling, and no one else does that. So once again, that's something people will talk shit about. But like, hello, like, that, I look like that, your Instagram's that, like. For example, a couple years back, my friend, I don't like her, my friend came to me and was like, oh, just to let you know, like, people talk shit about your Instagram, but like, I love how you don't care. Did I ask? Did I fucking ask? First of all, it's just funny, because you know that those people who take the piss out of you for taking photos like that are the ones whose Instagrams are just mirror selfies with the caption of a freaking Harry Styles lyric. Come on, like, are you really gonna let that get to you? Taking photos, you can look back on them, you can be like, damn, I'm fucking hot. Once again, goes back to affirmations, subconscious mind. It's like the whole fake it till you make it thing. Like, these photos at first are not gonna be great. These affirmations at first are not going to be true, but if you keep repeating it and you keep practicing and taking these photos and saying these affirmations, you're going to embody that. Like, you're going to become that. If you're kind of unsure what I mean, I really recommend either watching The Secret or reading The Secret. It is a book on the law of attraction and how manifestation works, and honestly, it will change your life and your view on life, and I really recommend it. Even if you're not like a spiritual person, just watch the movie. It's like an hour long. Like, what would you spend that time on TikTok? Also, we're in tier 4 lockdown. Like, what else are you going to be doing, huh? We're not going back to school. Me mom just got home. I need to stop swearing. Hi! No, you're good. And the final tip I have for you is to literally do what you want, be who you want, wear what you want. Because we're all going to die in a few years. Like, I know that's really depressing, but we're all going to die at the end of the day, okay? And no one's going to remember you for how you looked, how you dressed, how much you weighed, how tall you were, the freaking colour of your hair. You know, they're gonna remember you for you as a person, if they even remember you at all, because at the end of the day, we're all gonna die. Like, you're not gonna know people in the next 4th generation, you know? Also, like, this is life. Life is just weird, okay? Like, you're telling me I am made up of the same thing as Zeke over here, as my phone, as the water I drink, as the food I eat. You're telling me it's all the same thing? How does that work? And at the end of the day, like, where did we come from? Like, there was a big bang, but then what came before that? And then what became before that. And also, like, space is never ending, but like if it never ends, surely it has to end at some point. And if it does end, like, what is after that? Do you know what I mean? Like, we know nothing. We know nothing, and we are these tiny freaking dots on this massive, never-ending spectrum. I don't know what that word means. So why does it matter, like, what makeup you wear? Why does it matter if you're a boy or a girl? Why does it matter how you style your hair? It freaking doesn't. Okay, it doesn't. Horton Hears a Who is a very good example of this one. And it's a very good movie, but that's what I mean. If you start to use these tips daily, or even just add a few into your routine, I promise you, like, literally swear on Zeke's freaking life, you will be more confident, and you will love yourself more, and you will be more of a bad bitch, okay? And that's the goal we're trying to embody in 2021. Anyway, that's all from me. Sorry for yelling at you, sorry for snapping at you. I'm actually really sorry, that's really annoying. But look how cute my nails are. I sincerely hope, from my end of the camera to yours, that 2021 is the best year of your life, and a million times better than 2020. Like I said, there are basic things you can do to raise your vibrational frequency, eat slightly healthier, set daily goals, you know, like work out, sweat, even get fresh air, like dumb things like that, drink water, and just doing stuff you enjoy is automatically gonna raise your vibrational frequency. And being grateful for what you already have is also a thing that is gonna bring more positive things into your life, because if you're showing gratitude, you're gonna get more things to be grateful for. Like I said, law of attraction, like attracts like. Same as hate attracts hate, okay? So no negative energy in 2021. Thank you. If you have any questions, let me know. Have a good 2021. All my social medias are linked down below if you want to check any of them out. If you don't, honestly, it's fine, but they're there in case you want to. Thank you so much for watching from me and Zeke, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Started when we were younger, you were my boo.